We do have one more, but it's only because you laughed at the right part of the waggle dance. It's another Irish-Welsh mashup, but it's a slow one this time to send you home on your way. I don't need to explain what Tuairim the Lamh is here. So that takes about 2 minutes off the spiel, which is good. And we've paired it with the amazing Welsh song, the Ashgrove. And kind of since we've started playing together, this is one, we call it Wish. And it's one we've been playing, I suppose, as a wish for peace. And I don't need to say why, but there's certain things going on in the world. We've neighbours that have made an extremely bad decision for the next 4 years. That will be an interesting one to keep an eye on, not to mention what's going on in other parts of the world. And we do think that, this music that doesn't have words, it does kind of carry across borders. It carries across any sort of religious or societal divide. And I suppose we just want that to be the way forward for a lot of people who don't have that in their lives at the moment. So we're all human. This is for all of us, but definitely for peace. And, oh God, hopefully things will make a turn for the better in the next months or years. But I'm sure we can all agree on that. Gurmila Magui Arish for coming out tonight. It is freezing, but we really appreciate that you're here with us. Jochavar, as they say in Welsh. And until we see each other again, Gurmila Magui. And thanks a million, Mum and Dad, for sitting in the front row. Just needed to say that. No pressure. Gurmila Magui, you are.